Week 2. It's been frenetic activity here. I'm bowled over by the pace of people who work here. They work very hard. We're in the black kitchen of the farmhouse, and that entrance there is the entrance to the masonry stove in the dining room, which keeps the room nice and warm. If it's good, we'll keep it. If it's bad, we may have to get rid of it. I mean, I don't know. What am I looking at? I thought I got better footage. I used to work in television. What do you think?
The wall is not so...
No.
Yeah.
Franci was 50-50. He's going to come and see it next week, he says, for a bigger inspection. Every good building site needs one of these bad boys. No one's in there. Sounds a bit strange, but this is actually a bit of a proud moment. It says this is going to have workers who may be caught short. Not too often, because it's quite expensive. The house is like a pincushion. The injecting team have come in and drilled these holes to push a liquid cement solution inside. There's something sort of quite medical about it in a way. It's like blood transfusion for houses. It's like this new cement is going into the walls to give it new life. Clearly these guys know exactly what they're doing. Koloko Chaz, Koloko Let, have you been working?
24.
24 years. Wow. What's dusty?
Prach.
Prach, that's right, prach. 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 There's something a little bit strange about what feels like gardening one floor up. But that's what we're doing, removing this strange layer of soil beneath the floorboards. Some kind of historic insulation. Matjaz has rustled up a tractor from our friendly neighbour, which is very ingenious of him and very Slovenian. Nice. It's not too relentless because as I'm getting the earth back, the domed roof of the room downstairs, what will be our kitchen, is being revealed, and it's this wonderful brick construction. It's beautiful. I mean, it really is like sort of archaeology, really, this old house, giving up its secrets one shovel at a time. She's a monster.
No. She's no good.
Yeah? Is it in good condition, guys?
It's in quite a good condition.
You're making me happy.
I hope.
The pet is repairable. That's amazing. Get the stove repaired and we can actually use it to help the renovations during the coldest months of the winter. Here they come. The basement is now genuinely a swimming pool.